Hello family, welcome back to our channel. This is Monica from Imania by Design. Today we're going to be pressing on an iron-on transfer. They're now available in our Etsy shop. The link for this design is going to be below. Make sure you check us out in our Etsy shop. We've got lots of goodies over there for you. If you haven't done so already, make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Click on the notification bell so that you'll be able to know when we upload new content. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to use our iron-on transfer. All of our transfers come with our super sparkly Brillante rhinestones. They look really, really pretty and very, very sparkly on your garment. And so this is how your transfer will come. It comes like this. I would recommend that you don't do like I'm doing and handle it with just one hand. But I've been doing this a long time, so I kind of know what I can do. But anyway, this comes on strong transfer tape, so you should not have problems with the rhinestones moving and shifting on you. But if they happen to shift, then you can just carefully put the rhinestones back into place. And I'll see if I can show you how to do that. Just in case it happens, it probably won't. So that's how your rhinestone transfer will come. Now you see I have my heat press. I have it set at 120 degrees and 12 seconds. If you are not, now this is these transfers are recommended that you use them with the heat press, but if you choose to iron them on with a regular household iron, you can set your heat to the highest heat setting, cotton heat setting. And what you're going to want to do is make sure that it's there. Don't use any steam. Make sure the steam is turned off, and you're going to just press down. Don't use an ironing back and forth motion, but just press down on each section of the rhinestone transfer very carefully, very steady, for 12 seconds on each section until they're all pressed on. I don't recommend that, but you certainly can do it that way. I recommend the heat press. Okay, so I'm at the heat press, and the first thing that you want to do, whether you're using an iron or heat press, is you're going to want to press the moisture out of your fabric. It's very important that you press the moisture out. First of all, you want to get the wrinkles out. Second of all, you want to press the moisture out so that your rhinestones can stick. If you don't do this, then you're gonna run the risk of your rhinestones popping off. Okay, so I'm going to just press this for 30 seconds. This is a next level 100% cotton t-shirt. And these are the instructions for cotton t-shirt or cotton poly blend. If you're using something other than that, I would say Google it to see what they are. See what settings you should use. This is for cotton and cotton poly blends. Okay, so we press the moisture out of this t-shirt, and then on this t-shirt that's a crew neck, we're going to want to position the transfer about about 3 inches down is pretty standard. So you can use a ruler to measure it. I just kind of use my fingers to kind of get around 3 inches. Okay, you want to make sure that that's centered on your platen. Okay, so my 3 inches is up here. Then you're gonna want to get your transfer. Okay, so your transfer, again, it comes like this. Okay, the rhinestones are on there really good because the grade A transfer is a nice grade transfer tape that we use. Not saying it's impossible for the rhinestones to shift. If they do, you can just put them back where they go. I try to keep a pair of tweezers handy. So what you're going to do is you're going to remove the back from the transfer. And then let me pull this back. Okay. And you're going to want to position this. Now notice how when moving this transfer, you see a rhinestone just moved right here. Let me see if I can show you. A rhinestone moved out of place right here. I'll show you how to get that back. If you need to move your transfer while you're getting it situated and arranged the way you want it, just make sure there's enough room on both sides. Make sure you get it centered correctly. But if you want to move it, pick it up and move it gently and slowly. Don't just drag it, because you'll drag the rhinestones with it more often than not, and you don't want to do that. Okay, so let's see if I can position this so that you're able to see. It just never fails. I always do that in my videos. Sorry, guys. So here's the little rhinestone, and I just have a pair of tweezers that I'm using. I want to just kind of pick it up off the tape and put it where it needs to go. And if you feel like you need to take it off the press to turn it over and position your rhinestones, do it. Whichever way is easiest for you. If you have to go this route, hopefully you don't, but sometimes it's inevitable. Okay, so I kind of got it, and I'm just gonna kind of scooch it. Yeah, I said scooch. I'm gonna just kind of scooch it over a little bit. I think I need something with a little bit of a tip. I'm gonna use one of our rhinestone pickers to move this over just a little bit. Okay. Oh, a little bit more. That's good. I like it. I think I'm good. Okay. And so then once we got that where we needed to go, we're gonna press for 12 seconds. It's still at 320 degrees. Okay. Then what you're going to do is you're going to remove that tape. Bada bing. Bada bam. Okay, so those rhinestones are on there. Be careful. You will find that your rhinestones are 320 degrees. So be careful. Okay, now what you're going to do, this is what I call sealing the deal. You're going to take your shirt or garment, whatever you're pressing on, turn it inside out. Okay. And then you are going to, my heat source, the platen, is right here. So you're just going to make sure that when it's inside out, your rhinestones here are in direct contact with the heat. See here? Okay. In direct contact with the heat. Just going to press another 5 to 7 seconds. That went about 7 seconds. Okay. Again, be careful because that's hot. All right. And there we have it. Okay. And thanks for watching. Look how beautiful that turned out. This is so cute. In our Etsy shop, this is available as an iron-on transfer, as you saw here. It's available in a pre-cut template if you want to brush the rhinestones in yourself, and it's available as a digital download if you want to use it with your Cricut or your Cameo or other cutting machine. So go ahead and check me out on Etsy. The link again is below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you do that and click on the notification bell. And I just want to thank you for all your love and support along the way. We really appreciate you being here. Make sure you share this video with somebody you may think that's interested in this type of crafting. And we will see you next time.